In this video, we will review how to operate your mobile filter. All demonstrations in this video have been performed by trained professionals. Warning: hot oil and parts can cause burns. Use care when operating, cleaning, and servicing the filter. It is recommended that oil treatment media is added to the oil prior to filtering. Add 4 ounces of filter compound, also known as diatomaceous earth, to the hot oil in the fry tank and gently stir. Position the mobile filter close to the fryer. Screw the drain pipe into the fryer drain valve. Always make sure the drain pipe is positioned over the primary crumb basket, which is attached to the filter pan. Check the power supply cord, making sure that it is properly connected. Vulcan recommends an oil-resistant 14-gauge 5-15P plug extension cord to hook up the power source of the unit. Note: the power supply cord is not supplied with the mobile filter. Attach the fill hose to the male quick disconnect and check that it is engaged properly. Open the drain of the fryer slowly. Oil will pass through the crumb screen and begin filling up the filter pan. Empty the oil from the fryer completely. Before starting the motor pump, hold the fill hose over the fryer. Press the start button and oil will begin coming out of the hose. Use the hose to help wash the debris down into the filter pan. When finished cleaning the tank and filtering the oil, close the drain valve of the fryer. The fryer will begin to fill with filtered oil. Oil should never exceed the max oil level indicator. When the filter pan on your mobile filter is empty, turn off the motor pump. Let the oil drain from the oil hose, then place the hose nozzle into its holster. Once the hose is in its holster, remove the drain pipe and return it to its initial location in the fryer and close the fryer doors. Now you are ready to use your Vulcan mobile filter. For more information on operating and maintaining your equipment, refer to the operation manual on the Vulcan website.